Hi, I'm Sade, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can save your call metadata and your transcriptions in Siphon. Okay, come over to Siphon documentation, then go to call data, and you just need to turn these three variables to true. Save metadata, save transcription, and hangup call. First, let's go over metadata and transcription. When you turn these two environment variables to true, you can save the metadata, and in this you can save the room name, call direction whether it was inbound or outbound, your trunk ID inbound or whether outbound, agent number, user number, and timing, start timing of the call, end timing, duration, and from which time zone that call has been made. And next you can also save the status of the call, whether the call was answered or not, and whether call was completed, failed, aborted, or the limit was reached, or any other reasons. Also, the recording file name when a call recording exists. Metadata is saved in JSON format, and you can use any database which supports S3. You can also save the metadata locally. So give your any file folder path and it will save the metadata there in JSON format. Or you can give any S3 bucket path. This is how you can save the metadata. This is a copy of .env file. Just turn save metadata to true and provide a location where it needs to be saved. So I'm saving this locally here, and you can see it has saved the information here. These are many of the call recordings. So let me show you one of it. This is the metadata. It saves the room name, call direction, outbound trunk ID. Inbound trunk ID is empty because it was an outbound call. The agent number from which call was made, the user number to which call was made to, and start time of the call, end time, the whole duration of the call, time zone. It says local here because I have set the time to India Mumbai, and that's local. And then status of the call, recording file name, and recording file name is not provided here because the call was not being recorded at that time, and whether it was answered. And this means the call was completed but recording is not available. You can use any S3 compatible database to save your call transcriptions. MongoDB, Redis, Postgres, MySQL, anyone. Next, come to saving your call transcription. The whole conversation, you can also save that in Siphon. So you just need to turn this variable to true in .env file and provide, and it's the same with the metadata, provide any S3 compatible database URL or any local folder path. So this is the .env file. In this, set save transcription variable to true and provide a transcription location. Here again I'm saving the transcriptions locally, and you can see this here. So this is the whole conversation, and it also records whether it was interrupted or not and the correct timestamp at which the statement was said. So this is how you can save your call metadata and your transcriptions. Next, we have also provided this feature in Siphon, so you can set Hangup Call to true and make the agent capable of hanging up the call. So while you're on the call, you can just say, oh, can you hang up the call now? So you won't have to do it. The agent will do that, and all your call recordings, your metadata, transcription, everything will be saved by default. But when it is set to false, which is by default, then the agent cannot hang up the call. The user has to do it, otherwise it will keep on talking. And again, setting this up in Siphon is really easy. Just Set this to true in your .env file and you're good to go. Okay, that was it. I'll see you in another video.